Fantastic opportunity to own a Craftsman Style Jewel that you can restore to its greatness. Cross over your covered front porch and enter through the solid wood door to find original hardwood floors and large baseboards. The millwork in this house is exceptional. Original built-ins adorn the living room, master bedroom and butler's pantry. Solid 5-panel doors, 2 original fireplaces, and high ceilings exude a sense of luxury and volume. Sit in your sunroom that overlooks the backyard. 2 bedrooms and 1 bath on the main level with 2 smaller bonus rooms upstairs, lower ceilings, and a half bath. A large basement/cellar for storage and a 2-car carport. This house sits on a very nice flat yard. Make this Craftsman your home or renovate it and sell it to a new owner that will cherish it.